Hey guys, so what we got here is a 48-inch Canarm TAT ceiling fan. I got this fan from my local Habitat Restore in 2016. It is from October 12, 1986. This fan did come with a 3 Nadair light kit, but unfortunately while I was installing this fan, one of the shades fell and broke off. So I decided to take off the whole light kit. And to be honest, this fan looks better without the light kit. I've been getting asked a lot about this fan from YouTube user Alex the Fan Man. And he's been wanting me to test this fan for a while, and I'm finally doing it. So, yeah. But without any further ado, let's begin testing it. Here it is on low. This fan does hum a lot, and it moves really fast on low. I could already feel a breeze on low. It even moves fast a lot on medium. And on high, it's really powerful. All right, here's medium. Yep, this is medium and it looks like it's high. Like I said, this fan really moves fast on medium and low. Can already feel more of a breeze from it. This fan is using Hampton Bay pendants. One of the pendants actually came from the light kit. It was a long one that came from the light kit, which is the reverse pull chain. And I decided to put it on the reverse pull chain since this fan did not come with a pendant for the reverse pull chain. Oh yeah, and it does wobble a lot, like pretty fast. Wobbles a lot more on high. Anyways, here's high. Yep, it's moving really fast and it's really powerful. And it's wobbling a lot more. It wobbles really fast. So you can tell by the pull chains, at least by the reverse pull chain. And I don't know if you can really tell on camera. It probably wobbles a lot more in real life than camera. But yeah, it's wobbling pretty fast. I go under it. Moves a lot of air. Really powerful, this fan is. All right, well, we'll do spin down and then reverse. This is the same kind of fan that Hobby Central made a video of in an old church building. It was a 48-inch as well and was brown. It had a bell canopy and a lower canopy and was on a Canarm solid state control. And it really hummed with the solid state control. Those are also a good kind as well. I really want to find one of those as well. Yeah, and Alex the Fan Man also has a TAT Ocean Way ceiling fan. All right, that's the spin down. So time for reverse. Here it is on high. Oh, it looks like it wobbles a bit more on high on reverse. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but it looks like it wobbles a bit more on high on reverse. All right, here's medium. Again, I don't know if it's me, but it feels like it wobbles a bit more on medium on reverse. All right, here's low. And it wobbles a little less on low, I'm sure it wobbles a little less on forward. Yeah, I can see the bit of the wobble, but I didn't really notice if it did wobble on forward on low or not, but on reverse it does look like a bit. I can see it a bit, yeah. And now, let's turn it off. All right, well, that's it for the Canarm TAT. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. And remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.